This dance is called Rhythm and Rain. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance. We're going to start with weights on our left. Side touch to our right. So side touch left, step to the left, touch right. Now slow chassé to the right. Side, close, side and touch. We're going to repeat all of that to our left. Side touch, and to the left, chassé, side, close, side and touch. That's 2 sections. We'll repeat all that with the count. 1, touch 2, 3, touch 4. Chassé, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Section 1. Section 2, side, touch, side, touch. Side, close, side, touch. Section 3, we're going to walk forward, and on count 4, we point left and side. Walk forward and right, left, right, and point. On 4, back on the left, no weight on that left, so we're going back on the left. 1, 2, 3, and point the right. One more time, we do that section 3. Walk forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put sections 1, 2, and 3 together. Side, touch, side, touch. Side, close, side, touch. Section 2. Side, touch, side, touch. Side, close, side, touch. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3.4. Back, 5, 6, 7.8. Now we're going to make 2 1/8 of a turn, pivot turns over our left shoulder. Step forward on the right and pivot 1/8 of a turn to 10:30. Step forward on the right and pivot another 1/8. So just twist yourself around and hold that foot to 9 o'clock. Okay, right now we're going to finish the dance with a jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Now we'll dance for 2. Side touch, side touch, side touch. Side, close, side and touch. Side touch, side touch. Side, close, side, touch. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3.4. Back 5, 6, 7.8. 2/8 of a pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz box. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we start again. Side touches. Side, touch, side, touch. Side, close, side, touch. Side touch, side, touch. Side, close, side, touch. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3.4. Back, back and point. And 2 paddles or pivots and the jazz box. Cross, back, side and cross. Okay, we'll do this one to the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3.4, 5, 6, 7.8. So 2 pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jazz box. 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So we're going to catch your dance, no time to restarts, and we're going to then put that to music.